This video provides a comprehensive analysis of the Supreme Court decision in Enrile versus Sandiganbayan and the People of the Philippines, GR number 258841, promulgated on February 27, 2024, with Justice Maria Filomena D. Singh as the ponente. In this first part, we examine the factual background of the case, focusing on the PDAF plunder indictment, the history of the Bill of Particulars, and the procedural developments before the Sandiganbayan. In 2014, former Senator Juan Ponce Enrile and others were charged with plunder for allegedly amassing over 172 million pesos in illegal wealth. Enrile challenged the vagueness of the charges. In 2015, the Supreme Court partially granted a Bill of Particulars, requiring the prosecution to specify overt acts, but denying requests for purely evidentiary details. The case progressed through several key stages: the filing of the Bill of Particulars in 2016, the issuance of a pretrial order in 2020, the denial of motions to incorporate those particulars in 2021, and finally, Enrile's petition to the Supreme Court in 2022. Next, we move to the second part of our analysis: the specific legal issues addressed by the Supreme Court and its ruling regarding procedural defects and prosecutorial discretion. The court resolved four primary questions: the timeliness of the petition, the requirements for the pretrial order, the scope of evidence the prosecution may present, and the merit of the claims for case dismissal. On the issue of timeliness, the court found the petition for prohibition was filed well beyond the 60-day reglementary period. Furthermore, the court noted that prohibition is not the appropriate remedy when other adequate trial procedures are available to the accused. Regarding the pretrial order, the court clarified that while a Bill of Particulars amplifies ultimate facts in the information, there is no requirement for the Sandiganbayan to transcribe those details verbatim into a pretrial order. The court emphasized that the prosecution maintains full discretion over evidence presentation. Crucially, the prosecution is not barred from introducing relevant, admissible evidence simply because it was not explicitly listed in the Bill of Particulars. Finally, the court rejected claims for dismissal. It noted that dismissal is an extreme remedy not warranted here, as the Sandiganbayan did not abuse its discretion, and the defendant's due process rights were fully protected. The core doctrine established is that a Bill of Particulars supplements and clarifies ultimate facts, but it does not shackle the prosecution's discretion in presenting evidence at trial. In conclusion, remember these key takeaways. First, raise all evidentiary objections contemporaneously during trial, and second, understand that a Bill of Particulars defines the charge, not the full evidentiary roadmap. This concludes our video lecture on the case of Enrile versus Sandiganbayan. Thank you for watching.